Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, Naturallyads here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm planning for the month of December 2021 using this kit from PlannerFace. This is the last monthly highlights video that I think I'll ever do. I don't think I'll go back to it because in my 2022 plan I don't have a monthly. But yeah, I put down all the dates wrong because I thought I had a Monday start strip, which I didn't, and the first was on the Wednesday. So you don't see me redoing it, but I did have to redo everything. Anyways, let's begin. So on the 1st of December I used a Olive Studio character to note being cold, and then a pregnant girl sticker from Peek Down Planner Code to note telling someone else that was pregnant. Thursday the 2nd I used this Paper Dolls Code Girl to note a Plan With Me binge, and the pizza sticker from the kit to note pizza night. On the 3rd I used another Olive Studio character to note being really cold, and a girl from Simply a Mess to note memory planning. On the 4th, I noted going to view the house that we're purchasing with a house sticker from the kit and a measuring tape sticker from Carly Plans to note measuring the rooms to see if the furniture I wanted would fit. On the 5th, I used a paper milk marijuana pillow to note sleeping in, and a couple sticker from PMD stickers to note cuddles with my husband. On the 6th, I marked having lots of cramps with a girl from Joy of Planning. On the 7th, I used this tickets or to-do list sticker from the kit to note it was a really long day, and then a cramp sticker from Once More With Love to note having some cramps. On the 8th, I noted feeling not so good with a girl from Joy of Planning, and then I noted a Plan With Me binge with a Kinsey Creations planner sticker. On the 9th, I noted having to do my second diabetes test with this blood test sticker from the Crafty Plant. No, I think I used this phone icon from the kit to not calling in sick because all the cramps beforehand I had realised probably Rex and Hicks, so I took the rest of the day off. On the 10th, I used a pillow icon from Carly Plans to not being really sleepy, and then I used this meal plate sticker from the kit to not getting some kebab. On the 11th, I used this Valiant to my girl sticker to not having a lazy day. On the 12th, I used this sticker from Planner Hannah to not having some cramps, and then a sticker from Paper Shire to note my lazy day. On the 13th, I used a YouTube play button from Paper Candy Art to note a YouTube binge, and then I used this Pony Girl from Joy of Planning to note more cramps. On the 14th, I used this car icon from the kit to note that my car was icy, and then this couple sticker from PMD stickers to note small cuddles. On the 15th, I used this present icon from the kit to note it was my cousin's birthday, and then I used this nurse sticker from PMD stickers to note I had a midwife appointment. On the 16th, I used this present sticker from the kit to note getting Christmas gifts from the kids, and then I used this Christmas movie sticker from Box and Cactus to note me and my husband went to watch Spider-Man that day. On the 17th, I used this planner sticker from Paper Shire to note a Plan With Me binge, and then I used this pillow sticker from Carly Plan to note another lazy day. I was on holiday at this point. On the 18th, I used this girl diffusing her hair sticker from Paper Dolls Code to note I had a hair appointment, and then I used this Whimsical Cat Studio shopping character to note going into Tesco's. On the 19th, I used this washi tape sticker from Fox and Cactus to note another Plan With Me binge. And then I used this I Love You, that Polaroid picture sticker from PMD Designs to note more cuddles. On the 20th, I used this Valiant to my planning flat lay type sticker to note doing some fun planning in bed. On the 21st, I used a baby girl sticker from the Crafty Planner to note doing some baby shopping, and then a planning time sticker from What's My Vlog to note doing some fun planning. I'm out of frame. On the 22nd, I used this couple sticker from Paper Shire to note watching Matrix in the cinema. On the 23rd, I used this Whimsical Cat Studio plan sticker to note memory planning, and then I used a Strawberry Line Designs Chinese sticker to note getting some Chinese takeaway. On the 24th, I used a TV from PMD stickers to note a TV binge, and a bow sticker from the kit to note it was Christmas Eve. On the 25th, I used a present icon to note it was Christmas, and then a popcorn sticker from Paper Milk to note movie night. On the 26th, I used this vanilla sticker to note it was Boxing Day, and then a baby girl sticker from the Crafty Planner to note more baby shopping. That was online. The 27th, I used a TV from Paper Candy Art to note another TV binge, and a bed sticker from Carly Plans to note sleeping in. On the 28th, I used this a married couple sticker from, what's it called? The Rooms with Cat Studio to note that this was 2 years since we got engaged. On the 29th, I used a pregnancy girl from Joy Planning to note cramps, and then the envelope sticker from the kit to note making evacs for my baby shower. On the 30th, I used a phone sticker from the kit to note speaking to family, and then I used the sticker sheet from I think it's from PlannerFace to note playing with stickers. On the 31st, I used a bow sticker from the kit to note New Year's Eve, and the house sticker to note visiting family. House sticker is from Carly Plans. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know what you thought of this video, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.